Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play that famous American folk song Orally, which some of you might recognize as Love Me Tender by Elvis Presley, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. Now, in my last tutorial, I showed you how to play this in the lower part of your tremolo harmonica, but this time we'll be looking at how to play it an octave higher. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 13. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 16. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 18. Breathe in through 14. Breathe in through 18. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 15. Breathe in through 16. Breathe in through 14. Breathe in through 16. Blow into 15. And blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Blow into 15. Breathe into 16. Breathe into 14. Breathe into 16. And blow into 15. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 17 7 times. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 18. And blow into 17. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 17 twice. Breathe in through 20. Blow into 17. Breathe in through 18. Breathe in through 14. And breathe in through 18. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 7, blow into 15 twice. Breathe in through 16. Blow into 17. breathe in through 18, and blow into 15. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the type of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.